What's going on, guys? Moto AK-47 here. Today, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how to start your landscaping company, or just how to start doing landscaping on the side as your little extra side money hustle job. All right. So, first things first, right here, I got three things laid out here for you guys. This is your starter kit. All right. This is all that you need to start with. All right, just to start making the bread. All right, the money, bringing home the bacon. All right, so this push mower. All right, this one is a Craftsman 22-inch cut. All right, now with your push mower. All right, depending on what type of people that you're going to cut their grass for, or whatever people that you're going to cut grass for, I prefer having a discharge and bag mower, push mower, and basically all the mowers that you'll have and acquire. But for your starting off with, try to get a push mower that has a discharge, a mulch kit on it, which means you can close the discharge off and start bagging. And so make sure you have get one with a bag as well. And I'll explain that in a second, but that'll be basically to help you out with your leaf cleanups. So the second thing is your blower. I have an Echo backpack blower right here. It's one of the older models, and I'll actually be upgrading my backpack blower this upcoming season, which is now, since it's starting just now starting spring here in Cleveland, Ohio. Got this snow to go away, but who knows, tomorrow it could be snowing again here in Ohio. For all of you guys that live in Ohio, you know it could be this and sunny right now, and then tomorrow it'll be snow on the ground. And that's how Ohio works, or Cleveland, Ohio for that matter. But it doesn't have to be a backpack blower. You can simply get a handheld battery pack blower if you want to. But later on, you'll see you might want a gas one, or if you're doing just fine with an electric one, keep using your electric one. But for me and where I'm at right now, I have to have a gas backpack blower. But again, you can just start off with, you don't have to have a backpack blower. You can have a handheld one, battery or gas. The next thing you want to get is a gas trimmer. All right, or you can get, I think Ryobi and a couple other companies make battery pack weed eaters. So this is your handy, basically, if you know what cutting hair, your trimmers. All right, this is going to shape up your yard, whatever yard you're cutting. It'll help you with edging as well, because a lot of us landscapers use our weed eaters for edging as well, after we have initially made it with our gas edger. But this will help you out with creating those edges if your client would like clean cut edges and not overgrown grass over their sidewalks or anywhere where their grass meets concrete or pavement. But this is your starter kit, guys. These three things right here: your weed eater, your blower, and your push mower. So this is what you're going to want to start out with. So even if you don't have a car or a truck, this is what you can start out with, because what you'll do in a backpack blower will help you with this is you'll put your backpack blower on your back, you'll push your mower, and you'll put your weed eater over top of the handles of the push mower, and that's how you'll walk to your client's house if you don't have a vehicle, that is. Now, having a vehicle, yes, it does make carrying and loading and unloading a lot easier on you, and getting to where you're going faster and faster. And you'll hear me say this a lot, but landscapers, we like efficiency. We want the best products out there. We want something that's going to get us done with the job, or get the job done faster and faster, so we can move on to the next one and get that one done. Because like I said in my other couple videos that I'll keep saying, is you want, as a landscaper, to get stuff done quickly and efficiently, because the more you can get done, the more you can add on to your day or to your clientele to make even more money. So let's say you can only get 3 houses done in a day with this stuff right here, but once you start moving up and getting to those stuff over there, you can probably get 10-12 houses done per day, and I'll go over that stuff in a second here. But this is your starter kit, guys. All right, this is what you want to start out with: your push mower, backpack blower or handheld, gas or battery, and your trimmers, gas or battery. So next thing for you guys, once you get this stuff, all right, is to basically start thinking of your prices for your homes that you're going to do, for your clients, what you're gonna price or what you're gonna ask for to do the job. Now, if you're gonna be asking for more money, all right, you gotta be doing your job good. All right, you can't be missing lines and cuts and grass and blades and then ask for, depending on what size you are, you can ask for more and more money when you're not producing the good quality work, basically. So for all your stuff, you got to be making even and good cut lines with your push mower. You got to be making good and even cuts. You can't be scalping people's yards with your trimmer. You can't be leaving a bunch of grass on their driveway and stuff like that. You got to blow off all the driveway, all the sidewalk, stuff like that. Stuff like that will allow you to ask for a higher pay. Okay, so you don't want to be just off the bat saying, yeah, for a small yard, say, yeah, give me $50, or can I start cutting your grass for $50 or $60, and you're missing grass in their yard, or you're not trimming correctly and you're scalping people's grass to where it doesn't look uniform and even, and you're not making straight lines if they want an edge on their grass, and you're not leaving grass all over their car if you discharge onto their car, or if you discharge onto their driveway, you're not cleaning it up with a blower, stuff like that before you leave. So stuff like that, guys, you got to pay attention to that for you starters out there. So this again is your starter kit. All right, next, watch my next video and I'll be talking about some accessories that you might want to acquire, and going off of this, and once you start making money with this stuff, moving up to the bigger stuff. All right, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Moto AK-47 out. Peace.